Imagine you have a digital brain, a place where all your thoughts, ideas, and projects are organized, interconnected, and instantly accessible. No more scattered notes, endless tabs, or lost inspiration. That's the power of Notion. It's more than just a note-taking app. It's a personalized workspace that can transform the way you work, learn, and think. But how do you harness its full potential and become a Notion pro? The Notion Journey, a step-by-step guide. Understand the basics, navigating the interface, learn about pages, databases, blocks, and properties. Customizing your workspace, create a theme that suits your style and preferences. Essential formulas and functions. Understand how to use formulas to automate tasks. Mastering databases, creating different database types. Explore the options like tables, boards, galleries, and calendars. Leveraging properties. Use properties to categorize, filter, and sort your data. Building relationships. Connect databases to create complex structures. Templates. Your starting point. Exploring the template gallery. Discover pre-built templates for various use cases. Customizing templates. Adapt templates to fit your specific needs. Creating your own templates. Share your templates with the community. Leveraging blocks. Understanding block types. Explore text, headings, images, code, and more. Using interactive blocks. Incorporate elements like toggles, accordions, and calendars. Creating custom blocks. Build your own blocks for specific functionalities. Automation and integrations. Using Notion's automation features. Automate repetitive tasks with formulas and automations. Integrating with other tools. Connect Notion to your favorite apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Asana. Organization and productivity tips. Effective note-taking techniques. Learn how to capture and organize your thoughts effectively. Time management strategies. Use Notion to plan your day, track tasks, and set goals. Project management best practices. Break down complex projects into manageable tasks. Advanced techniques. Creating complex workflows. Build interconnected systems for seamless productivity. Leveraging Notion's API. Customize Notion to your exact specifications. Exploring the Notion community. Connect with other users and learn from their experiences. Becoming a Notion pro is not just about learning the tools. It's about understanding how they can fit into your workflow and enhance your productivity. By following these steps and exploring the vast possibilities of Notion, you'll be well on your way to mastering this powerful tool and unlocking your full potential. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your Notion tips and tricks, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Notion content. Until next time.